When it comes to managing the complex operations of a business, ERPNext stands out as a versatile and open-source ERP system designed to bring all your essential functions under one roof. Unlike many proprietary solutions that lock you into costly licenses, ERPNext offers freedom and flexibility, making it especially appealing for small to medium-sized companies that want a robust system without breaking the bank. One of ERPNext's biggest strengths is its modular architecture. Whether you need accounting, inventory management, human resources, sales, or project management, you can pick and choose the apps relevant to your business and avoid unnecessary bloat. This means you can start small and expand functionality as your company grows. The platform is built on the FRAP framework, which allows developers and administrators to customize workflows, create custom reports, and automate routine tasks without heavy coding. Access is another major advantage. ERPNext is entirely web-based and mobile-friendly, so your team can collaborate from anywhere. Whether your employees are working remotely, on the factory floor, or in the office, they have real-time access to up-to-date data, improving transparency and decision-making. The user interface is clean and intuitive, reducing the onboarding time for new users and making daily operations smoother. Key features include full double-entry accounting with invoicing, tax calculations, and payment reconciliation, detailed inventory management with batch and serial number tracking, comprehensive CRM capabilities for managing leads, sales orders, and customer support, and an HR module that handles employee records, attendance, payroll, and expenses. You also get project management tools to track tasks, time logs, and budgets, all seamlessly integrated. Because ERPNext is open source, the community around it is vibrant and continuously contributing plugins, bug fixes, and new features. This collaborative environment means that the platform evolves rapidly, often incorporating industry best practices and the latest compliance requirements. Plus, you avoid vendor lock-in and can choose between self-hosting or cloud-hosted options managed by ERPNext's own team. In summary, ERPNext offers a comprehensive, adaptable, and cost-effective ERP solution that helps businesses unify their operations on a single platform. Its open-source nature and modular design make it an excellent choice for companies wanting control, scalability, and a future-proof system without the overhead of expensive licenses or vendor lock-in. Whether you're in manufacturing, retail, services, or non-profit, ERPNext gives you the tools to streamline processes and grow confidently.